Hello everybody, my name is Gary and welcome back to Subnautica. In between this video and the last one, I did some more farming and I already took everything to the submarine and everything. I know, I'm so courteous, you don't need to tell me twice. But before this video begins, I just want to give you guys a quick friendly little reminder. If you guys do enjoy content like this, make sure you subscribe and also turn on that notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a video, and also give the video a big thumbs up so I know that this is the type of content you guys would like to see. I already took everything that needs to go to the Cyclops I did a little bit of farming. I used the prawn suit. I'm kind of a little annoyed because I was farming titanium and there's not like titanium chunks or like wreck parts. There's just like giant things of titanium that you need to use the drill on the prawn suit to get. I died to the warper twice because the warper does half your health with one hit. Absolutely insane, by the way. And so it killed me 2 times whenever I was almost full on titanium. And then I couldn't even get it back because it glitched underneath the world. So now there's just a big pile of titanium just around the world. I also learned that this ghost Leviathan out here, one of the most frustrating enemies in the entire world. He will not leave. He's just sitting there, just like won't leave. He's being as extra as he possibly can. Now, before we before we go on an adventure, because that's what this entire video is, I have a few things that I want to do. So as we can see, I have a bunch of batteries and silicone in my inventory. I want to make 6 new power cells for the Cyclops. I waited to do this in video just so like I didn't cheat. And then we're using all of the batteries that we collected from the Aurora and everything. So these are just gonna be like backup batteries in case the Cyclops dies before we can build a base. 6 new batteries. And then I also got a bunch of new quartz, or not a bunch of new quartz, but a bunch of quartz because oh, where did it go? Oh, no, I didn't save. I forgot. There was like 14 minutes of me not saving. So what I wanted to do was I want to make all of these windows. I need those because I forgot that I also didn't do the hatches. I didn't build more hatches. Well, that's everything I can build. I can build a single window. Here. I'll be coming back to finish the rest later, but for right now, kind of can't. So we are almost completely ready to go. We just have like a few small details that we need to do. I need to find... We're gonna place these here. So, backup. Got it. And then we need to grab the prawn suit. That is number 1. And put Suhoozy in the sea moth because I don't trust the ghost Leviathan. If I'm being honest with you, the ghost Leviathan's kind of scary. I also want to change the name. Dr. Phil isn't the funniest. Okay, I changed the name. It's Cleopatra now, and I don't even know if I spelled it correctly. We're not... You're not gonna tell me, got it? We're gonna act like it is spelled correctly. Okay, glad we're on the same page. And switch spots with Suhoozy. Oh, what happened to you? I'm telling you, it was the ghost Leviathan. I don't trust it. It may have been the crabs, actually. The crabs were also kind of being extra. Really doing the most. I'm ready to go on an adventure. I don't actually know if I can get up there, so... Can I? I found out if I just jump and then kind of get roughly in the right area, then it doesn't. It automatically, like, puts me in, which is nice, right? That's fantastic. I really hope I don't have to come back. I brought so much stuff. I, like, put everything away. I'm not exactly... Oh, wow, look, we're already at 92%. That's rough. I'm not 100% sure how to get further into the map. I feel like there was supposed to be an area here in the Grand Reef, but maybe I'm just dumb. It's very likely. So we're gonna head to the Blood Kelp Zone that I've been to many a time before, and we're gonna head down, deeper into the planet. Oh no, hang on. I just have to show you guys something really quick, because I figured something out during my farming session. So in the last video, I actually don't remember if I cut it out, I was talking about how Suhoozy has a thing, a like perimeter thing, that it sends out like a shockwave that saves the sea moth in case you're being like attacked by a reaper or a giant fish or something like that. I figured out how to use it. I have the upgrade. It's this one, the sea moth perimeter defense system. Oops. and it didn't really explain how to use that. I figured it out. So you have to press like 1, 2, or 3, whichever slot it's in, and then M1, and it sends out a giant shock. Isn't that awesome? I wish I knew that before, whenever there were all of the Reapers to deal with. But I just wanted to show you, in case you were wondering. Oh yeah, hang on, wait, I'm not done. Sorry, I need to show you more things. I also organized everything. So we have like copper, gold, lead, silver, like all the way across, all the way to uraninite. And then Ruby is here for all of the nuclear rods and everything. And then all of these are like food, and this is necessity. And then up here, we have, these two are full of titanium for bases, and then this one is all of like other stuff. I'm pretty sure I put quartz somewhere, right? For the yeah, quartz. Okay, good, because we need it to make the hatches. I do kind of want to go to the dunes, because I don't think I got the thingy for it, the PDA. Also, shield defense system. That is so cool. Sorry, peeper. I think this is actually there's something down here. Okay. We're gonna go silent mode. Okay, just in case, we're also gonna put that up. Why? Why are we leaking? Okay, so we gotta go quick. Okay, wasn't prepared for it to be right there. I'm pretty sure there's something down here. Somewhere. For moi? Maybe I was wrong. There's like a crater somewhere on the map that has an item that's really, really good. Maybe we did already get the PDA. I don't know. You like the size of the Cyclops. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Oh, that's even worse. Okay, goody gumdrops. This is going swimmingly. Someone angry. Whoa! Okay, can you not? Do you mind like backing off? Okay, you're like shoving me downwards. You're making my life very difficult. And I'm honestly not really living for it. Is this where I'm going? I really can't see anything. Oh, hey, that's gold. I really was struggling to find gold. I think it's here that we want to go. Oh, that's not working. What is going on? What is happening? Hang on. I need to figure out where I'm going. I think this way. Okay, yeah, we're going that way. How? Okay, back up maybe? Yeah, we're gonna back up, do a little maneuver. I also forgot to have those on so that I could actually see. Oh, silent mode turns that off. Oh, that makes sense. Those weren't even on. That's why I couldn't see a thing. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Is that where I'm supposed to be going, or am I supposed to continue just going down? Oh, it's cool down here. Look at all the pretty colors. Wow, so pretty. What happens if I self-scan? I'm still infected, that's nice. Oh wow, we can still go down a lot. I still don't know where I'm going though. Aha!
Local scans show a nearby opening, leading to a biome with extensive fossilized remains.
I found it! Kind of. Maybe it's over this way. Ooh! So we're in the Lost River right now, which is one of the coolest areas in the game. You're here? Oh, wow, you have green pustules. Can you not? Get out of the way, you giant fridge! Oh. This is one of the coolest areas in the entire game, by the way. We're getting somewhere. Ooh. Why do we have radio messages? Oh, why didn't it build a radio? Because I was like, there's no point. We don't get any more radio messages.
This biome contains unusually high concentrations of organic and fossilized remains.
Yeah, I can see them. Let's go scan some things. Let's go have some fun. Let's go do some things, yeah? I'm pretty sure this is poisonous, is it not? Ow, 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 ow! It really hurts. You, what are you? Don't eat me. A river prowler. Oh wow, you're slow. Giving spooky, scary skeleton. And shivers down my spine. Okay, I get it, you're mad. I understand. I actually don't, I didn't do anything. You didn't even scare me like that. I can't scan the bones? Why not? Oh, a mesmer, oh no. No. No, swim the other direction. I thought I was... No, don't swim closer. Hi, spiny fish. No! Go the other direction! Okay. You just have to try and, like, turn around as hard as you can. Oh, he's doing a little jig. What are you doing? Oh, you're still following me? Okay, I guess. You can come with me on my adventure, okay? Come on, buddy. We're going on an adventure. Let's see what else is ahead. What is this giant creature? I think this has always been like a speculation in the Subnautica community, like what this giant creature was and how it got down here, how it survived and stuff. And nobody knows. Actually, maybe people do know, because I think that there was a mod in Subnautica Below Zero that like makes the creature. We found the head. Hang on. Okay, we kind of are at a problem. We have 14 power, which isn't, oh yeah. Did I build a radio? I did. I get it, I understand. Oh, Susan, I know. There's another ghost Leviathan, but that one's a baby one, so it's okay. It's really not, but it's kind of skeletal remains. Oh, I'm excited to read this one. Don't eat me. Okay, gargantuan fossil. You're still huge! Oh, ghost Leviathan. Ah! It's an insta-kill? Okay. I even thought about pulling out the... Okay, well, I'll read this first. The fossilized remains of an extinct super predator, its sheer size would have prohibited it from entering such an enclosed space, suggesting the geography of the planet has shifted around it over time. A true apex predator. Oh my gosh, it died here, and then the planet formed around it. That is crazy. Dated at approximately 3 million years old, rib cage measurements suggest the creature was eel-like in structure. Calculations suggest this is only the front third of the specimen. What? The remains now support a vibrant microcosm of life. Note, there are a series of precise angular indentations on the rib cage, suggesting a third party has taken samples from the specimen at a previous time. Indeed they have. Indeed they have. Okay. I even have the stasis rifle for a reason. I was like, no, I don't need it. I need it. Let's do this, buddy. I don't know where you're gonna go. Can you stop? Stop. Oh, you're still huge. That should be it. You're annoying, to say the least. Look at me, I'm right next to you. There we go, thank you. Thanks, love you the most ever, love you, bye. This thing is huge. Ah! Oh, you're not the ghost Leviathan. You're just little minions. The ghost Leviathan's little minions. And to think, I was like, I can survive the adult ghost Leviathan's thingy, like its bite, if it bites me whenever I was farming. No, I couldn't even survive the baby. Ghost Leviathan juvenile. This large predator has adapted to live in deep waters and dark cave systems, attacking anything and everything in its quest to grow larger. Torso, soft outer membrane and elongated body enables superior navigation of tight cave environments, displays some similarities to other eel-like predators in the area. However, the ghost Leviathan has covered over the electrical prongs on its inner torso with a tout? I don't know what that word is. Transparent membrane, which delivers superior superior maneuverability. Diet. In its juvenile state, this leviathan feeds on larger herbivores and unfortunate members of its own species. They display a remarkable rate of growth, which shows no signs of stopping, suggesting that they must abandon their hatching grounds before they grow too large and make for more open waters. Assessment. Avoid. So then they make it to the dead zone, and that's where all the adults are. But the adults are for some reason in the Grand Reef at my house. There's an area that I'm trying to find, and I don't exactly know where it is. So we're just gonna explore for a little bit until we run out of power. You're new. Who is it? Oh, so you're bullying us, I see. Don't worry, hang on this, you loser. Oh. And we're out of power. I think the shield wastes a lot. Oh, I have to do it individually. That's not nice. That's not very fun. The shield wastes a lot of power, so I really need to use it just whenever I'm getting bullied. You are so pretty. I don't think this was the right direction. To be quite honest with you. I actually don't even know. That looks like it goes back up to the surface. Okay, hang on. We're gonna do something, because I don't want to try and fit the Cyclops down that way. So I'm just gonna get out and try and swim a little bit. And while we're out, I can scan these. Oh, it is! It's back out into the thingy. A ghost ray. What are the other ones called? The ones that are everywhere. Ghost ray. This ray species has adapted to deep sea conditions. Its body is fully protected by a translucent skin, and its large wings are capable of generating considerable thrust. Poisonous flesh. As is common for rays of 4546b, the ghost ray's flesh is inedible, making it one of the more resilient herbivores. Feeding behavior. Feeds on plant matter that has settled on the ground in deep sea caverns. Assessment. Inedible. Okay, well, they were too beautiful to eat anyway. I didn't want to eat them. We're gonna turn around. Maybe there was something on the other, because it kind of, like, went in two different paths. Oh, I found a thing. This isn't what I wanted, but I found a thing. Look at the thing I found. What is it? What are you? Also, what are you? An alien sensor. The prominence and facing of these alien devices suggest they are some kind of probe or sensor. Their subject would seem to be the vast skeleton in the center of the cavern. The attached cable network may lead to remote power stations or data hub. Assessment, investigate. That just looks like a light. It doesn't look like anything special. An ancient skeleton. Is this one older than the other one? Ancient fossilized skeleton. The skeleton of a million-year-old armored carnivore. Projections suggest the life form would have been larger than any living creature encountered on the planet. The oceans of the time would have been very different to support life forms of this size, with more open geography and many more individuals in the Leviathan range. But this one doesn't seem as... It looks weird. Is this just the skull, or is it, like, kind of the entire body? I feel like there's something more around here. There is! I knew it! But I need one of the tablets. What tablet do I need? Purple or orange? Orange. Oh, that's unfortunate. I only have one orange one. What are these? Oh, maybe those are probes. I don't feel like you're bigger than the other one. The other one was 3 million years old. This one's only 1 million. Yeah, youngin'. Oh, silly you. You're so magnificent and gorgeous and stunning and beautiful and amazing. Ew, I'm not really a fan of seeing your lungs. Kind of makes me very uncomfy. Oh, everything's still underwater. That's not nice. That's not fun. Alien bone specimen case. These fossils likely come from the ancient ancestors of the leviathans which inhabit the planet today. The relative size and delicacy of the bones suggest they formed part of the ear canal or some other complex internal structure. That looks like a femur! Like the biggest bone ever. What? Fauna reproductive data.
Integrating new PDA data.
Oh, wow, that's a lot to read. Oh, hey, more ion cubes. Thanks. I was running low on those. I actually don't have a use for them yet. Okay, hang on. I guess I'll read this first. Fauna reproductive data. Extensive alien research data on the local fauna with special focus on their reproductive methods. Core conclusions have been synthesized. The aliens discovered the life forms on the planet have just one sex. They observed local organisms engaging in asexual reproduction. All healthy individuals tested were capable of egg laying. Eggs usually require genetic material from another of the species. In rare case, only one parent was required, with evolutionary mutation introduced by the effects of the environment itself. Research appears to have been focused around hatching conditions and genetic variations between parent and child. Why does it cut off right there? Because of the mask? Alien research equipment. This is one of the things that I really want. A large laboratory table and accompanying scanners incorporate technologies far beyond our current level of understanding. Hypothesis, equipment maintenance, staff maintenance, specimen analysis, specimen gene manipulation. Alien floral specimen case. Oh wow, there's a lot. Local plants being held in stasis. The aliens evidently sought an extensive knowledge of the planet's ecosystem, which would have been necessary to support any living specimen research. Oh, cool. Oh no, now we have to head back towards the ghost Leviathan. But it was a bully. It was an angry child. It was neglected by its mother and father and turned into a juvenile. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm too thick. Oh, Mom always told me I was too thick. I never listened. Oh, what a shame. Oh, you're actually terrifying. Honestly, I'm so smart. Used it at the perfect time. Okay, you're making it where I can't turn. That's rude. That's abusive. And I will be suing. Can you stop? Listen, buddy. My power is going down at the speed of light. I need you to stop. Okay, you're far away. Enough. You're coming back in for the kill. Is it over this way? I don't know. Oh, wow. You're just a bully, aren't ya? You're big. Oh, hello. Giving very much chunky boy. What if I do that? It's not really silent when I'm smacking into everything. Did you get me stuck? You stucked me. Uh-oh, we're gonna run out of power again. This is a problem. We have a problem. Maybe I'm getting somewhere. Can you leave? You're just like the adult versions of yourself. You won't leave. What if I do that? Will that make you go away? Oh. Wait, I found more things. 15 power. And for us to get to where I need us to be. That's great. That's fantastic. Ow, 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 ow. Leviathan skeletal remains. There's so many. Oh, you're far away. Okay. Sea dragon Leviathan, or sea dragon skeleton. Hang on, wait, I saw a bunch of these things. Can you leave? I found a thingy. Okay, we're good. Sea dragon skeleton, the semi-intact skeletal structure of a Leviathan-class predator. 1. Head trauma. There is clear evidence of massive physical trauma to the head. The damage is so severe it was likely the cause of death and must have occurred somewhere nearby. Damage is consistent with a high-speed collision with a solid object. Age. Something in the environment has helped to preserve these remains, but calcium decay suggests an approximate time of death 1,000 years ago. Bone growth suggests the creature was in the egg-laying stage of its life cycle. And this... Then there's this thingy over here. It doesn't look...
structure appears to have collapsed to the sea floor.
Indeed, it has. I can't scan anything. Maybe I should bring the Cyclops closer. I think it's fine.
Detecting an alien broadcast. Linguistic analysis reads, caution, hazardous materials and life forms contained within.
Excuse me, I'm very intrigued now. How do I get in?
Emergency.
Let me in. Let's get in the prawn suit. Why not? You're still here? Get alive. Find friends. Oh, you're beating up people. Or not people. Aliens. We need to go this way. So the prawn suit is the most finicky thing in the entire world to control. And I'm really not big fan. Because without the jump boost, you, like, go nowhere. Look at this. I'm so slow. But then we do this, and then we fly. Oh, wow. That didn't work. I want to know the story. What's going on? What happened? Aha! I found the entrance. Okay, I'm not going in the right direction. No. No! No! Oh, we're good. There we go. Thank you. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna get out because it's easier to maneuver and see things whenever you're not inside of stuff. Oh, wow. A lot of damage happened.
Walls in this section are substantially reinforced, indicating the designers were seeking either to keep something out or contain it within. Whatever their intention, it
That's not
clearly
creepy.
failed.
That's not creepy at all. Well, I can't grab that. An egg! Thank you. Sea dragon egg. This large egg is held in a hermetically sealed environment and has been chemically sterilized. Without the means at the facility to house a fully grown sea dragon specimen, it is possible the aliens sought to study instead the egg laying and incubation process. To what end is unclear. Rays. Oh, wow. We're just murdering rays. Got it. Ray species of 4546b. Different species of ray indigenous to 4546b, each adapted to different environments. The specimens are 99.99% genetically identical to those encountered on the planet today, suggesting the rays in particular have undergone little evolutionary mutation in the past millennium. Ghost rays, jelly rays, crimson rays, and rabbit rays likely all share a common evolutionary ancestor. The alpha ray, which have evolved deep in the ocean trenches, quickly growing in line with available food supplies. It would have most resembled the ghost ray in size and appearance, with translucent skin for camouflage and forward-mounted eyes for hunting, a fast and fearsome stalker of small creatures in the dark. While some rays have stayed within the limits of the cave systems where they first evolved, others are relatively more recent adaptations to new environments, likely the result of overpopulation. All of the rays on 4546b have given up predation in favor of herbivorous scavenging and use poisonous flesh to protect themselves. Oh, a rib cage. Love me, I got a rib cage. A display case containing an array of rib cages harvested from the indigenous life forms. There is a particular focus in this instance on vertebrate skeletal structures. While some of these skeletons match organisms encountered on the planet so far, most cannot be matched without confidence, suggesting either that there are species out there not yet accounted for, or that they have become extinct since these samples were collected. How old are these aliens? Whoa. Aha, there's another one. Trying to be all sneaky and snaky. Damage report. Leviathan detected at facility perimeter, closing at high speed. Exterior anchor cable impacted with massive force. Exterior anchor system buckling, facility sinking, collision with seafloor, breaches detected in containment unit 7, Leviathan eggs. Immediate specimen destruction protocol initiated. 314 species destroyed, specimens destroyed. Hang on. I'm gonna die. By the way, the reason I named it Cleopatra was like Cleopatra, Pharaoh, prawn suit, you know, like get it. Okay, immediate specimen destruction protocol initiated. 314 specimens destroyed, 1 specimen unaccounted for. Evacuation staff to off-site sanctuaries. Planetary quarantine protocol initiated. Warning, infected individuals may not leave the planet. Good Lord, I can't read. So that dragon out there, the sea dragon that's out there that's dead is the reason that this place collapsed. Because they stole its egg and they were like, no.
Evidence suggests
I was trying to get it back.
Were brought to this location and subjected to intensive study.
Hang on, wait, look. It looks like another one of those big ones. Another, like the one that's outside a little while ago. This one. You're so big. Anyway, sorry. Remains of research specimen. The skeletal remains of a vast predator housed within an artificial habitat. The environment constructed to house the specimen suggests it was kept alive in containment for research purposes for months or even years. Organic matter indicates the habitat once supported extensive plant life, though it has since decayed. When the facility collapsed, the specimen was either left to die or killed on the spot. While it shares some skeletal traits with the biter and sand shark, including its distinctive double eye sockets, its fossilized specimen is significantly larger and features unusual forearms rarely seen in aquatic specimens. This species has likely gone extinct in the past 1,000 years, and its evolutionary relatives have evolved almost beyond recognition. Whoa, this is so cool. I love history. Biological matter. Thank you very much. The organic parts on display contain DNA from dozens of different organisms, largely originating off-world. They were in varying states of augmentation with advanced technologies. This production line setup suggests these self-warping constructs were built, maintained, and deployed by the aliens that designed this facility. Ew.
Data
Warper
pertaining
parts.
to the bacterium is being downloaded. Caution. Detecting atypical fluctuations in blood plasma proteins. A self-scan is strongly advised.
Okay. I already read that one. So never mind. Don't need to read that again. Ew, this is so gross. A warper. Ew, my arch nemesis. Self-warping quarantine enforcer unit. Oh, wow. That's a lot. This life form shows signs of heavy genetic modification and extensive mechanical grafting. Its digestive and pulmonary systems have been replaced by an onboard battery receiving energy directly from the main grid and distributing it around the body. Miniaturized phase technology has been implemented beneath the skin and is triggered by the central nervous system, allowing the construct to teleport at will. The brain and central nervous system have been digitally augmented with advanced processing power and remote communications. Assessment: programmable hunter-killer. Avoid. Hang on, there's more to explore, but I need more oxygen. Gosh, I'm so needy. Who needs oxygen to live? Ew. This is gross. And nasty. Same thing, but nasty and gross. Whoa. So they never finished building Mr. Warper. Ew. You look like you have 4 teeth. I don't like it. Anyways, it recommended that we do a self-scan, so why not?
Self-scan complete. Bacterial infection has spread to the skin and pulmonary system. Medical report recorded to databank. It is imperative you find a way to neutralize the infection.
Uh-oh. Oh, the thumping, the heartbeat, don't like it. Oh, wow, I'm turning into what all of the other creatures are turning into. Hey, look, there's a warper. Hang on, I need to head all the way back here. And I don't want to bring the prawn suit because I'm so lazy and it takes so long. I guess while I swim, I'll read. Bacterial infection report. You have been infected with a previously unknown waterborne bacterium. It is currently multiplying in your bloodstream. Estimated incubation time, 2 weeks. Your immune system is currently combating the infection at low efficiency. I feel like I'm hitting a wall. You may already be experiencing flu-like symptoms and skin irritation. These will likely be exuberated as the bacterium takes hold. Your immediate priority should be abatement and eradication of the infection. I came back to get a tablet. Recommended steps. Ah! Okay, going through walls is cheating. In case you forgot. Ah! You cheater! I don't like it, 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 I don't like it. What a menace to society. Recommended steps. Salvage further alien research data on a possible vaccine. Investigate the mechanisms which have enabled the indigenous ecosystem to inhibit the symptoms of the infection. Good Lord. We have one more thing. This thing. Go all the way back just to get a purple tablet. I now remember if I find another facility, bring purple tablets and everything. Specimen research data. Oh, wow.
PDA data.
That one's a lot, so I'm just gonna sit in here for a while. Thank you. The catalog of information on the organisms previously contained within the alien facility. A number of entries have been translated. Small herbivore Gamma. This entry seems to reference the common peeper. Shows no immunity to infection. Death commonly occurs within 4 days. Shows symptom remission on exposure to enzyme 42, but symptoms quickly recur. Shows advanced learning behaviors, shows some capacity to transmit enzymes to other specimens. Leviathan embryos, adult specimen too large to study in containment. Egg specimens acquired from nesting site. Embryos show no signs of immunity. Death commonly occurs within 3 weeks. Small sample of eggs have been retained for continued high priority research on Leviathan hatching mechanisms. Large carnivore Theta. Off-site lab established to study remains shows some potential for immunity to infection, but physical remains so far proved insufficient for full reconstruction. Unidentified Leviathan. This Leviathan species has been assigned designator Sea Emperor. Bone samples from Emperor specimens indicate some potential for Kara immunity. Single specimen captured for study at purpose-built containment facility constructed in volcanic region at depth 1.4 kilometers. Assessment. While it is unlikely that the Emperor specimen is still contained within the facility described, it may be possible to acquire further data there on the aliens' attempts to develop a vaccine. And that's our mission, to go find Mr. Sea Emperor. Let's go this way. I'm gonna stay in the prawn suit for a little bit because the Cyclops is almost dead again. So I'm gonna explore until we find the area that I need, and then we'll just like travel there in the Cyclops. See, like just these tiny little mushrooms, you get stuck on them and it's so frustrating. So inconvenient. Oh. Wait, that's where we're supposed to be going. So what's over here? I'm so confused. Okay, grab onto something, grab onto something, grab onto something. Oh no. Oh no. I can't do anything. I don't have nickel. I need nickel ore. Is that nickel? What are you? That's lead. That's not what I wanted. Okay, this ghost Leviathan really is just like everywhere. Oh, there's a Reaper skeleton. Oh, hello, sir. Oh, I can't scan you. Okay, sure. Fine, I'm just gonna... It's too slow. I'm too lazy. Oh, hey. Leviathan skeletal remains. Okay, fine. I can scan this one. That's sure. I feel like this is actually leading me towards the surface. I think, at least. Oh my gosh, I can't see anything. I'm terrified. Oh my gosh, that is the surface because that's the shocky things. I'm in the Grand Reef. Or the bulb zone. Whoa. That's crazy. So I think this is how the, oh wow, and I'm almost out of power in the whatever this is called. I'm guessing this is how the ghost leviathans leave the cave and get to the dead zone by this giant exit. That makes sense. Well, we have this to read. Reapers are ill-suited to high temperatures environments, suggesting this creature was forced down into the active lava zone by conditions outside its control. Trace muscle tissue remains on the bones, indicating the specimen died in recent months. Burns and other physical damage to the skeletal structure likely became prey for something bigger. Oh, that's not terrifying at all. It's not scary at all to think that there's something bigger that eats reapers. I'm almost at the crush. Oh, I found it. I'm almost at the crush depth. So we have almost problem. This is one of my favorite areas in the entire game. Look how stunning that is. Really? We're gonna do that right now during this beautiful moment in time? I'm annoyed. Look at this gorgeous tree. The tree of life. Is there anything giant here to eat me? No, I think we're good. Giant cove tree, a vast tree encountered in a deep cove and the only one of its kind encountered on the planet. The tree is surrounded by rays grazing on its pink outer leaves. Bark, a hardy, fast-growing bark covers the outside of the tree. Minuscule organisms inhabit the notches in the surface. 2. Ghost leviathan eggs. The tree's branches are wrapped around a number of maturing eggs belonging to the species designated ghost leviathan. This tree appears to be an ancient nesting ground. The eggs were laid when the tree was young, and now the branches protect and grow with them as they await the right conditions to hatch. How old are those eggs? I thought that they were like recent, like all of the ghost leviathans before they leave, they lay eggs or something. No, apparently not. How old are they? Oh, it just kind of ends. Or wait, no, it doesn't. Oh, it continues going. Okay, so I actually think that this is where I want to build a base because it's pretty safe. I don't... Ah! Okay, maybe it's not safe. We're gonna place it right here. And we're just gonna place a eye compartment. Like that. And then we're gonna place a power transmitter here. And let's build this right next to that. That way we don't need to build a nuclear reactor because I just need that to refill the batteries. That's all I need it for. Oh, you're still there? Go touch some grass. Okay, sorry. I take it back. I'm sorry I was rude. I didn't mean it. Okay, I kind of meant it. But I didn't mean for it to hurt your feelers. How do I get nickel ore? Because I can't get any of the... If nickel ore isn't in this area, and it's in the active lava zone, I can't get it because the prawn suit can't go that deep. Unless I'm just missing something. All right, so we need quartz, and we need titanium. What do I need to build a scanner room? Titanium times 5, 2 copper, 1 gold, and 1 table coral. Oh, that's so easy. You guys make the weirdest noises. Oh, I need aerogel. I don't think I brought any. That's not the best. Magnetite times 2 and aerogel. I only have a little bit of magnetite. And aerogel. Oh, no. Gel sack and ruby. I don't think I grabbed gel sacks. I think that there's some here. Like on the ground, I saw them earlier. Oh yeah, gel sack right there. And that should be everything, right? I believe so. I don't think I forgot anything. Thank you. And please be enough. I'm pretty sure it is. Very nice. Yes. Now. Oh no. What do I need to make? 2 ruby and advanced wiring kit. Darn it. I really don't want to. Oh, nickel ore. And magnetite. I should probably get more magnetite, shouldn't I? Okay, I'm gonna wait until that power is fixed while I work on making power cell thingies. What do I need to make an advanced wiring kit? Unpowered, because there's no power. Great. So now I need to make a fabricator. Oh, that's easy. Never mind. Now, to make an advanced wiring kit, we need a wiring kit, gold ×2, and a computer chip. So 4. Okay. 4, and 4. Oh, I need 4 more gold. Gold was one of the things that I really struggled getting whenever I was farming. For some reason, I just could not get any gold. Now we can build power. Oh, nope. Need to go grab titanium. This is great. There we go. Now we can make the power cell chargers. I'm not gonna, I'm gonna deconstruct this after I get a few things, so I don't really care if they're lined up super even. Oh, wow, that is very annoying. But we can charge the power cells at least 2 at a time. I'm gonna charge all 12. Yikes. And then nickel ore. Where does nickel ore spawn? Oh, it's right over there. Is it like in a big heap? No, it's just like a small little thing. Oh. Does this hurt? Oh no, this one's not poison. I'm gonna just grab a lot. Why not? Honestly, why not? I actually think I grabbed too much. I don't really need all of it, because it's just really used for the MK1 or the MK2 and 3 and stuff. Yikes, they really like suck all the power out. Maybe I should have just made a nuclear reactor. Should I make another? Oh, yikes. Okay, I guess let's try and make another one. Let's place this one here to be different, or not, because I can't put it on the wall. We'll put it here to be different. And this one should just hook up to the same power transmitter, right? Yes, and then that doubles it and also speeds up how much power we're getting, right?
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Yes. Perfect. All right, I think for right now, I'm gonna end this video here. In between this one and the next one, I'm gonna do a little bit more farming just for like magnetite and maybe some more gold and stuff. I'm gonna also refill all of the power cells. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe and also turn on that notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a video. Also give the video a big thumbs up so that I know that this is the type of content you guys like to see. Also comment anything. Let me know how you guys feel about Subnautica. This is one of my favorite games ever. Anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!